Welcome back to Northeast Ohio Veggie Gardens. Today we're going to be fertilizing all of our vegetables with chicken poo organic tomato and vegetable fertilizer, which is a granular with a balanced NPK of nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, and also using Neptune's Harvest tomato and veg liquid fertilizer. When you fertilize with granulars, you have to follow the instructions, and about 2 handfuls is what we've measured out, and you spread it around the drip line, which is sort of the outer surface of the soil where the water would drip off of, and then you scratch it into the top of the soil. This way it gets incorporated, and when you go to water or it rains, it will start pushing it down into the soil and start breaking down, and the microbes in the soil will start eating up that fertilizer and releasing it for the plants to use. As you see here, we're putting 2 small handfuls around the base of the tomatoes, scratching it in, and covering it back up with the mulch. We apply the granular fertilizer once every 30 days, and then the liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks. As you see here, we're starting to water in with our Neptune's Harvest mixture and getting everything watered in. Now we're going to start using the same method with our beans. As you see, we're starting to spread it around, scratch it in the surface, and get it ready for watering so we can start giving our vegetables a boost of energy and feed them properly with good organic fertilizer. This will probably be the last time we will fertilize our peas, because since they are starting to set the pods and start growing, we'll be harvesting within the next couple weeks, and then we won't be needing to put any more fertilizer in them. This will help, though, our second rotation of crops that we end up putting in these buckets later on in the summer and going into the fall, so it's really not going to go to waste. Since it takes about 30 days or more for the granulars to break down and the microbes to start doing their job to getting the nutrients into the soil. So this will benefit us even down the road. We'd like to thank you for joining us today and being a part of our channel, and as we grow our vegetables, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so as we post more videos, you'll be notified. And again, thank you for visiting Northeast Ohio Veggie Gardens.